Hola amigos, it's been a while. We haven't done a restaurant review in Puerto Vallarta. So today we're going to Camarón Select. Camarón means shrimp in Spanish. And it's a mariscos restaurant, it's a fish restaurant, but there's also meat and stuff. And we've been there a few months ago, but it's been a while. So we're trying it out today. We're in the mood for fish, fried fish, maybe a marlin burrito. We'll see what's on the menu and remember exactly. So today we're going to Camarón Select. Join us for some delicious marisco fish. Salud! Oh shit. 7:40, there's a soccer game, so good, there's a fan. Really grilling. We're here, it's Camarón Express. Camarón Express. Yeah. Hola, dos. It's okay over there? Para allá? Yeah. He's making fresh tacos. Hola amiga, ¿cómo estás? Un pico video aquí. She's been working here for a while. I think I asked her last time. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es?
Frijol.
Friol. Oh, frijoles, beans. Gracias. Look at that grill. Nothing on it right now, but I'm sure they're gonna grill some fish after. Like it smells good. She's making it fresh. Frijoles. Alright, let's see. Yeah, it's getting to be hot here, so you need to be somewhere under a fan. If there's no AC, that is. And we're outside, so there's no AC. So that's the beans. There's beans inside. Frijoles. Let's try this. Alright. Good. The sauce isn't hot. The taco's hot.
Temperature-wise.
Yes. We have a lot of stuff in the menu, as I mentioned. I'm gonna have this.
Looks like a french fry.
Burrito de marlin. Actually, you know what? I might have burrito mixto. I'm gonna ask them what's inside that. I suppose it's having tacos de pescado and one order of camarón, I believe. I think it comes with fries, the meal. Yeah. And I'm probably gonna have a enchilada. The 1 liter one. Usually at a taco bar, there's a lot of condiments. There's one there. Probably hot sauce. Probably coleslaw before. Pico de gallo. Green salads and carrots. And more coleslaw. All the hot sauces you want. Oh, there's a bird there. This is probably gonna burn the hell out of your mouth. That's for sure. Alright, this is 1 liter of Roja, miel de Roja. Salud.
They have a straw there, right?
Wow. Very good. Cheers. Salud. My burrito. Wow, yours smells really good. Wow, what's that?
Camarón empanizados?
No. Let's try this. good mix of octopus, shrimp, and marlin in this burrito. And I like that. It's nice and grilled. Yeah, very good. All right, meal done. I enjoyed it. I'm actually really full, and I don't say that often when I go to restaurants. It was really compact, the burrito. The burrito was full of good stuff inside. A lot of veggies too, and I had some fries as well. I enjoyed it. Not so much my esposa. She doesn't like corn tortillas, and we forgot to ask if they had flour tortillas, so that's a minus there. But she wouldn't go back for their tacos. I would go back for my burrito, but I think next time I would probably try just a marlin, because I didn't taste too much of the marlin in that burrito. But overall, I enjoyed it, so I'll give it like a 4.3 out of 5 for my meal, and well, not so much for the tacos. So thank you for watching this short video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment down below. Let me know what your favorite burrito is. Muchas gracias. Forgot to mention the drink I had was really good. It was Michelada Cielo Rojo, and everywhere you go it's different. Like over here they had it really good at Clamato. They had some sauce inside as well, and the beer, of course, it was 1 liter worth of drinking, so it was a lot, but it was really good. So I forgot to add that to this video. One last thing, in the beginning of the video I said Camarón Select. Well, it's Camarón Express. There is a Camarón Select near the ocean. We haven't gone there yet, but this is Camarón Express where we ate tonight. Thanks.